Good morning, readers. Today we are going to focus on reading closely. Go ahead and fill out your reading learning intention sheet. The date today is November 9th. So go ahead and write 11/9. Fill in the book that you might be reading. And as today as a reader, I am working on reading closely. Give a thumb up when you have completed this. Readers, we're going to summarize what we learned from eating our Oreo cookies. The first thing that we learned that is if you read too quickly, you can only recall parts of what you've read. So it's really important that when we're reading, we slow down and we think while we read. If we're not thinking while we're reading, we may not even remember what we read. Sometimes we read so fast that we have no idea what the book says. It's really important for us to slow down. And finally, reading the text more than once is an important strategy. Boys and girls, as you read, if you're finding that you don't know what you read or you can't tell all about it, then you go back and reread the text again. Readers, as close readers, we are going to do these things today. We're going to read the text slowly at least twice. So that means we're going to go back and read it a second time. Close readers get the gist of what the text is about. That means that they know what it's mostly about. Close readers circle words they aren't sure of and try to figure them out. Close readers reread, annotate, underline key vocabulary. This means that as they're reading, close readers reread words, they take notes, that's what annotate means, and they underline vocabulary. This also means that close readers are doing stop and jots. Close readers use the text to answer questions. So, as a reader, if I'm reading and I think of a question, I'm going back and rereading to find the answer to that question. Close readers gather evidence from the text. That means when they're writing that stop and jot or they have a thought, they're going back and finding evidence to support what they've written in their stop and jot. Close readers talk with each other about what they think it means. This means that when you meet with your partner, you're going to talk about your books and what you think they mean. And finally, close readers read again to summarize or answer specific questions. Readers, we have worked on writing stop and jots, so a lot of the skills in close reading we already know. And we're going to practice them today as we read closely. We know that we need to look at the vocabulary words. We know that we need to reread the text. And we also know that we need to summarize. Boys and girls, let's make it a great day.